You have this. And we're heading down towards that section, up and around, and you can walk those that are hanging from the cliffside. So, anyway.
Alright, I'm gonna climb down this ladder now, which is super scary.
So we've just made it to the Kalbarri Caravan Park. This is just one of the G'day ones. And we have 3 nights here. And then we're actually heading up towards Monkey Mia, so that should be awesome. But yeah, so while we're in Kalbarri, we're doing the whale watching on Wednesday. And then today we're going to go into town, have a quick look. And then tomorrow we're going to go out to the Kalbarri National Park and check out the Skywalk and do one of the hikes. So pretty full on couple of days, but it should be good. So Amber's just fixing up the old caravan inside and I'm just chilling out, about to have some lunch.
Alrighty, so we've all set up at camp. We've been for a short walk around the town, visited the information centre. Now we're on our way to the Red Bluff. I'm just gonna go check it out, and then tomorrow we are booked in for the whale tour. So that will be super exciting. So yeah, we'll see you guys when we get to the Red Bluff.
So we've just stumbled across a cool location driving towards the Red Bluff. There's like a drop off on all these rocks and the waves are just crashing into them, and then it looks like there's some pink sand over there, so we're going to go investigate that. But Kalbarri is awesome. So the beach down here, there's a section that's a bit pink. It's actually got a pink haze to it. So we thought that was pretty cool. I'll tell you what, the swell behind us is incredible. So, pretty impressed with Kalbarri so far, wouldn't you say, Amber?
100%.
100%. All right, so now we're heading up around the bend over there. So yeah, Kalbarri, mint as. Like, just check out this landscape. It is just breathtaking.
This is cool, like the red dirt, but the ocean, like...
Yeah, red dirt and the ocean. It's freaking crazy.
Good morning everyone. So it is the following day and today we are jumping on a boat and we are going whale watching. So there's a small boat just in like the Kalbarri town. I think it's Reef Walker. It was $85 per person and I believe it is a 2-hour cruise. But just because of the amount of whales that we've seen in Lucky Bay and then yesterday when we arrived, we just knew it would be a perfect spot to go whale watching because we know that we will see whales because we've been seeing them for the last 4 days or so.
It's not a small boat either.
Isn't
It's like a pretty decent size.
Oh, I thought it would be like one of these.
No.
Like one of these boats.
No, you saw the boat yesterday, mate. It's pretty big.
Well,
It's got to go over the bar. Stay tuned for the bar crossing. It's like roll and swell.
yes. I've had a motion sickness tablet, so hopefully no throwing up on the boat. Yeah.
Throw you overboard.
No, thank you. Anyways, we'll see when we get on there.
this. Righto, so we've made it out to the Skywalk for sunset. Let's quickly run out so we don't miss it. Sunrise, yeah. This is a second Skywalk walking out on. It's a nice view again. These gorges are incredible, Amber, aren't they?
So nice.
Oh, Amber's got the digital camera out.
I've been forgetting about this digital camera. I take such good photos, but I haven't been using it lately.
It's like old retro photos.
So she's back out of retirement.
Oh, if you do want to actually see some of our like photos that we put up, if you go on Instagram or Facebook, we have a Facebook page and Instagram page. So that's a lot of more up-to-date photos and stuff if you're interested. I'll there's a link in the description. So yeah. The flies aren't too bad. Stop walking over. But like, check them out. There's like 10 of them. Alright, next on the list. Nature's window. So, there's actually a 9k loop track here that you can do. We're not going to do it because we're going to do the Z-band hike. Which, how long was that one, Amber? It was like 2.5 to 3 hours, so yeah, not too sure. I think it was maybe 3k. We'll have to wait for the fun facts. But yeah, we'll see you at the nature window. There's a fair few people walking down, so flight. So yeah, and this is it. How cool. So this is the photo effect. Amber, hop in there and then they'll get the idea of what I'm getting at. Oh, nearly just fell. No, you sit in there like normal. Look at all the flies on Amber.
10 flies. There's so many flies here.
Boom. How awesome is that? And there's also like you can hang from the little bit of a rock and it looks like there's no cliff underneath you. So we'll show you that as well because that's pretty cool. But yeah, nature window Kalbarri. So hopefully the photo I've taken looks like I'm hanging off the cliff with no base, but this is the idea. We just like hang like this. And then we can crop the bottom and it shows that I'm hanging from the cliff side. So anyway, meet you back at the car. Righto guys, so we are starting the Z-band hike in Kalbarri. This is what it looks like. Start here, make our way to the lookout, and then you also go down into the river trail. So it should be pretty cool because there is a ladder and some rock steps. So let's get into it. And we've got our fly hats. Very fashionable.
Fly hats, energy drink. We're ready.
Ready to go. And water, backpack, everything. So Amber and I have made it to the Z-band lookout and this photo effect is amazing. So check out the gorge. Wow. And then you can come up to the top. And it's another big view of the river. Or the gorge, sorry. Oh, it just echoes, eh, Amber? But then you have this. And we are heading down towards that section, up and around, and you can walk down in this riverbed.
So I made lunch for us last night for today. We're gonna have some morning tea, so just got some apples, mandarin and carrot. So we're just gonna sit down and eat this and just
take in the view. So we're just starting the river trail It's a 2K return. So you actually walk down the Z band and then it just breaches off. So as you can see, there's our little ladder way down there, but yeah, the view's awesome. And like, look at the colours in these rocks. You know, might not fascinate anyone else, but it's quite fascinating for us. Nature steps. Oh,
The rocks are a
bit loose.
Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna climb down this ladder now, which is super scary. Like, you know, like a little platform.
Going down.
That wasn't bad at all.
How good's that? Check that out. I am one to say I've never seen that. Wow, that is incredible. Okay, second ladder for the river trail. Couple of rock ledges, nothing too crazy. So we've just come down this rock bit and we're heading down into the narrow part of this gorge, and I bet you we're going to come to a massive opening. And it's pretty cool. We saw a sign about the rock scaling with the ropes, so they might be doing it. Righto, Amber, come down.
I'm like hugging the rock.
Bit of rock climbing. Wow, if you actually look at what we just came down, you'd be like, what the hell? So we've made it to the supposedly end of the river trail. This is where you're meant to turn around, but we are just going to quickly duck down and check out the river itself. It looks a bit murky, but they have had a bit of rain, so it would be interesting to see. So here's a little sign, but you can see there's still a little track that just goes straight down. Let's go check it out. How good is this place? Oh, sun's glaring. Go on this side, Emma. Give everyone a rundown of what you think.
I was honestly expecting it to be 100 times worse. That was pretty easy. Like, I don't know what class it is or whatever.
4 to 5.
Really?
Yes. But it's because of the boulders.
If you're a bit smaller, it's a little bit trickier, but...
Yeah. But the water smells like...
Gross.
Yeah, it doesn't smell too good. Because there's no flowing water, it's just all stagnant. What is it? Stagnant? Is that what they call it? I don't know. Let me know.
I don't know.
People probably got the gist by now. We're not the smartest travel guide people out there. So, anyway.
Oh, it's very snaky.
Check out the green moss. It's like fluoro.
It's pretty close, eh?
You would not be walking in that. But yeah, this is the Z band. I think this is the end of the Z band where we just are, because it says trail exit. So I think if you want to actually walk in here, you can. So we didn't research that far because we just knew we wanted to do the Z band lookout and the river trail. So, and yeah, we honestly thought it would be a bit harder than...
Maybe that big loop is where you can like... Because remember that 6K loop?
There's a 9K loop that you can do, yeah. So maybe that's where this is. But yeah, cliffs are just incredible. There's a rope course going on at the moment and it's sick.
Yeah, we
sat down and watched for a bit because it looks pretty cool. But yeah, anyway, No flies, not one fly.
Well, probably one fly.
Yeah, one fly, but you know, not compared to just where we were, the nature window.
Yeah.
So.
You'd think there'd be more here because of the yucky water, but.
True.
None.
None.
Brought the hats for no reason. God damn. Alrighty, so we're going to now start making our way back to the car. Which way did we come? Alright, Matt's getting a nature tripod so that we can try and get a photo with the top of this.
I'm just going to lie my phone on the ground with a timer and then hope for the best. Like this, see? Look at that.
Perfect.
Oh, I must get ready.
Alright, so we are back in the car. We have finished the hike, so I thought I'd read you the stats of our walk. So, the total walk took 1 hour 27 minutes. Now, I didn't pause it when we stopped, and we did stop a few times. The total distance was 2.76 kilometers, and we burnt 487 calories, which is pretty good. But yeah, cool. So now we're just going to make our way back to the van, probably get dressed out of our sweaty clothes, and maybe make our way down to the beach.
Righto guys, that's all we've got time for this week. If you did enjoy this week's episode, make sure to hit the like button for us. We really appreciate it. And also, if you want to support our channel, make sure to subscribe. See you next week. Righto guys, so we're now in the Kalbarri National Park, which is in the Shark Bay area.